For years, math was the subject my son cried over the most. If you've ever had a child who suddenly hit gaps or who shuts down over math, you know how exhausting this can be. Over the years, we have used a lot of math curriculum, a lot of really good math curriculum that has helped in different seasons with different problems. Some helped reduce tears, others helped rebuild confidence, some helped fill learning gaps. But even after all that math, my son still avoided it. Then we tested something that was new and different, and I honestly wasn't sure whether I was going to like it or not. It's an AI math tutor, and somehow now my son logs into math first every single day without me asking. Hey, I'm Sarah. I've been homeschooling for nearly 20 years, and I've had kids across all the math spectrums. I've had kids who fly through math. I've had kids who cry through math. I've had kids with learning gaps. I've paid for tutoring. I've bought extra curriculum, printed printables. You know what I'm talking about. I've done all the things. So when Astral reached out and asked if I wanted to try an AI math program, I was deeply skeptical. Let's be honest, AI in education can go very wrong. Kids can use it to shortcut. Parents can become dependent on it too. And I had real concerns about that. But what caught my attention about Astral is that it doesn't give kids answers. It helps them think through problems when they get stuck. So this is what surprised me. My son, who used to avoid math, is now doing math first every morning. No battles. He's not crying. I rarely have to remind him. We aren't dragging math out all day. It's honestly completely new. He logs in, he gets started, and he moves on. And weirdly enough, he now likes fractions, which is not ever something I thought he would enjoy or that I would ever hear. The biggest shift hasn't been math improvement, though, it's his confidence. Because honestly, he doesn't suddenly understand math 1,000 times better. We're progressing, and that is all that matters, right? But his confidence has absolutely shifted from dreading it and avoiding it and lying and hiding to now jumping on, willingly doing it, and not being upset when something doesn't make sense. So let me show you exactly what Astral looks like and how it works. We're going to go into my kids' dashboard. And you can see here on the dashboard that it tells you for each of the kids what grade level they are working on. So my daughter is in second grade, and it shows that she has mastered 71% of second grade and that she started at 54%. And my son, who does tend to struggle with math, he started at third grade mastery. He was working on, he started at 44% and he's moved up to 70%. And that's been in about a month. So he's made big progress in 1 month. Okay. So we're going to click in here and take a look. Now, all of Astral's teaching is based on very clear teaching standards. And it shows you in here what my daughter is working on right now. You can see that my daughter's done 27 lessons on here. So we're going to click in to her dashboard and I will show you inside a lesson. All right. So each lesson starts off with a little narrative with a character that can be completely customized to your child's interests. This is inside a lesson. And over here is the video on the right side. And you can see that if you click on that, it's going to open a video that teaches the concept for that lesson. Then your child can come in and do the work. Now, the really cool thing about Astral, the thing that sets it apart from all other digital math curriculum is that it has a built-in AI tutor. My child can call Turtleton, that's the avatar, and she can ask him anything. And I'm not going to do a call right now, but they can chat with Turtleton. You can type something here and say, like, I don't know what hundreds are. And they can reply with a response. So they can have a conversation by chat, or they can actually talk to the avatar too, and it will talk back to them, which is really fun. If they get stuck, they can hit the help button and they can say, I'm stuck, like I need help. Or if, there's a tech issue or something like that, they can click on it and it will prompt them how to get unstuck, or they can tell what the problem is. The setup of Astral looks fairly similar to other curriculum I've used, but the AI tutor is night and day difference for helping a child who doesn't know how to do math on their own take steps to think about what they already know. I would say that is like night and day. What is different about this versus any other curriculum is it prompts them to think about what they already know. So instead of thinking about, I don't know how to do this, it helps them think through what they do know. So there are 8 questions in a lesson, and they can complete up to 3 lessons per day. And it is going to make lessons daily based on where they're at. So if it seems like they're really struggling with a concept, they can repeat it for as long as they need to learn the ideas. Unlike a normal textbook where it might have a few pages on a topic, and if they didn't learn it, then they're now moving on to new material. This drills down and helps them learn things that they might not have learned in a normal time frame. Here's the Astral Arcade, and there are lots of games here where kids can play games to level up their skills. One thing I really like is they do send you emails daily on the progress your child has made. And I don't look at those heavily, but I can kind of see day over day. I noticed that my son was struggling. Almost every email said that he still didn't understand perimeter and area. And honestly, that was helpful because as I just glanced at those emails, I started to realize I might need to sit with him for a lesson to see what's going on, which is what I ended up doing. And I figured out where he was misunderstanding something, and then he was off to doing the lessons on his own again. One of the hardest things about math is discovering that your child has gaps after they've hit a wall, and suddenly you realize that there's something missing. And usually it's a big fat question mark. You're often not sure exactly what's missing at first. Maybe suddenly they can't do fractions, or multiplication is happening on their fingers again, or algebra. Oh, don't get me started on algebra, right? Then parents like me are stuck trying to figure out the issue, right? We're scrambling, looking for what we think might be the problem. We're going back to old curriculum or buying new curriculum. And I'm going to tell you that is where Astral feels very different. Let me explain what I mean. With Astral, when your child has a gap, you might not even know. I mean, you'll know because you'll get reports and it will tell you what they're learning, but your child is not going to get a report that says, oh, 6th grade son, you're actually doing a 3rd grade math concept. They don't know because Astral iterates the lessons every day to help them fill in the gaps that might suddenly pop up here and there. So to your child, it feels like the progress is steady and consistent. To you as a parent, it looks like the progress is steady and consistent. But on the back end, what's actually happening is when the system notices that a child doesn't understand something, it goes back and it teaches earlier concepts that might be from an earlier grade level. But on the front end, your kid doesn't know, you don't feel it as a parent, the resistance doesn't happen, and math keeps happening, which is great. So this math curriculum is great for kids who have math gaps. Obviously, I'm a huge fan. It's also good for kids who need independence. It's good for working parents. It's good for homeschool families, juggling multiple kids. You know how hard it is to sit down with multiple kids and their math books and try to help several kids at once. You know, if you know, it's hard. And it's also great for kids who love technology or parents who are currently paying for a tutor and who are really looking for extra support. Honestly, the biggest drawback at first glance is the price tag. And as a mom of many kids, I don't want to ignore costs, but I will tell you that if you compare this to actual tutoring, it's a huge savings and it has tons of the benefits that come with private tutoring. So I want to just say this. The biggest surprise for me wasn't the AI. We all use that all the time. It was watching my son believe he could do math. Confidence, I'm a huge believer that if you can tap into a kid's confidence and motivation, there is nothing that will stop them, right? Confidence changes everything. And if math has been a struggle in your home, then you definitely need to check out Astral. Do the free trial, let your kids get on there and try it out, and then just watch and see what happens. And see what happens in your own mind. Confidence changes everything. And I've seen that with my son, and I definitely want it for every other family who is experiencing that with their own kids, that confidence in one area tends to multiply into other areas. And math is such a foundational thing that it's worth jumping in, trying things out, and finding something that works. Thanks for joining me today. And as always, come back again. We'll check out more curriculum and talk about all kinds of education topics.